Why is it called a check in banking? Imagine a time long ago when people wanted to send money without risking theft or losing coins. They needed a safe way to pay someone for away. That's where the story begins. The word check in banking comes from a very old history that mixes language, trade, and culture. In ancient times, people used written notes to move money instead of carrying heavy coins. These notes made trading safer and easier over long distances. For example, in Mesopotamia and Rome, merchants used written instructions to transfer funds. In the Islamic world, there was a system called sack. It allowed merchants to deposit money in one city and withdraw it in another. This system helped trade across regions. The word sack is where the English word check comes from. The word check entered English through Old French. The French word échiquier originally meant to attack the king in chess. Over time, check also meant to stop or verify something. Think of checking a list or checking your baggage. It became a way to control and confirm the movement of money. By the 1600s, banks in England started using handwritten notes called drawn notes. These notes told the bank to pay money to someone else. Later, in the 1700s, printed checks appeared, making the process more secure and standard. The name check stayed because it described the act of verifying and controlling money. Today, checks are just one part of managing money. Many Latino families still use checks to pay bills, send remittances to relatives abroad, or pay rent. Even though digital payments like online transfers and mobile apps are more common now, checks are still useful for certain transactions. They help families keep track of spending and avoid extra fees. Understanding where the word check comes from helps us see how this tool has evolved. It started as a safe way to move money long ago and became a written order to pay. For families managing household budgets or supporting loved ones in other countries, checks are a familiar and trusted way to handle money. They are part of a larger system that includes debit cards and online banking. Knowing the history behind checks can help families feel more confident when using them. Whether paying for a quinceañera or saving for future goals, checks remains a simple, secure way to move money when needed. Even as technology advances, the core idea of a check, a written, verified order to pay, remains useful and relevant.